So it's been a minute since I filmed a video and uploaded onto this channel, and so I wanted to kick things back off and do a video just to share where I've been, what I've been up to, some really cool new stuff in the scope of building a lifestyle business as an expert, as a coach, as a consultant, as a digital product creator that we have launching literally right now, and talk a little bit about where I'm going to be taking this channel. Okay, so I need to roll back the clock a little bit, about 18 months. So going back to kind of the start of 2025, the last 18 months have been a lot. I became a dad for the second time, and my first son went from being a baby to a toddler, and then as the second one got a little bit older and we kind of had two toddlers in the house, that's been a big learning curve and a big adjustment. Over that same period, I aggressively restructured my business. It went from essentially my entire brand and my entire business being about the topic that I talk about here on the channel, to diversifying it out, tackling different topics, tackling different projects, implementing a kind of broader model that allows me to get more involved in different businesses, different investments. So that was a big shift. I moved this business, the coaching and digital product business, the education platform, from being primarily organically driven to paid marketing. So that was a pretty fundamental change. Went from selling a lot in the DMs to selling primarily over email, low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket. So that was a big change within the business. And then on the personal side of things, I went on a really big health journey. I lost like 35 pounds. That was mainly just optimizing energy to be the best dad possible to my two sons. Behind the scenes, unfortunately, my mum was dealing with some pretty serious health concerns. She's stable and managing things at the moment, which is great. But it was a pretty tough year on that front. And then towards the back end of the year, unfortunately, I lost my grandfather, and he and I were very close. He lived a couple of streets away. We spent a lot of time together. We had a really amazing bond, and that has been tough. And so, full transparency, the first half of 2026, I kept some projects ticking along. But off the back of that all happening in 2025, some self-driven and some kind of out of my control, it was just a lot. 2025 was a big year. And so the first half of 2026, I kind of hit a wall. I kept things ticking along. I did some uploads on this channel, had some offers still running and was still delivering, worked on some consulting projects, etc. But behind the scenes, I was really, everything was a grind. It was heavy. Coming into the new year. And so about May-ish this year, Liana and I, my partner, we sat down and had a conversation and just agreed that it was time to mix things up and change things up. And so you may notice I'm in a slightly different setting right now. Got the dark wooden doors, and you can see the plants, and there's the pool outside. So I'm in a villa in Bali at the moment, and we're doing about a 4-month trip to Asia. The bulk of the time is going to be in Bali, and then towards the back end, we're actually going to go spend some time in Japan as well before heading back to Australia for 6 weeks. And then after that, who knows? We haven't figured that part out yet. And so we've been in Bali for just over a month, and the change has been amazing. I don't even think it really matters that it's Bali or anywhere else. I think it's just the different stimulus, the reset, a new routine. I've rented a scooter, and I can kind of just get out and a little bit of freedom. And it's been amazing to reset my own mind after such a big period, a big season in life across my health, family, like our immediate family, my broader family, the business evolving and changing. It was a really big season, and so just to kind of get away and reset has been huge. So that's kind of the story of the last year, 18 months, and that's why I just took a little bit of a break from uploading onto this channel. Now, more importantly, for you, I'm restarting this restarting this channel now at a time where we've got some really, really cool stuff going on. I've just launched a brand new all-in-one platform called the Lifestyle Business Academy, and it is a one-stop shop for experts, coaches, consultants, digital product creators who want to build what we call a life-first business. And that just essentially means that you want to design your life and the business fits in around it, as opposed to the business being your entire life and your life having to fit in around the business. This is a rabbit hole that I've been going really deep down since about 2021. I haven't taken a sales call in my coaching business since 2021. And I've been refining this model through nearly $8 million in information sales. It's been a big part of my life for a long period of time. So I'll put a link to this below, this new platform. You can go check it out. There's a few main moving parts that I just wanted to talk about in this video quickly. And then this will get the ball rolling again, and I'll talk a little bit about kind of my vision for the channel moving forward, all things considered. So when you click the link below, you'll notice that there's kind of standard homepage and that kind of stuff. But then across the top, there's like 5 main areas. Okay, so the very first one is free resources, and so this is essentially a suite of cool free stuff that you might want to check out. And we're going to continue to develop the scope of things that you can grab there. Right now, at the time I'm filming this, there's our updated lifestyle business playbook. You can go and check that out. There's something I call the one ad system, or the one ad formula, and that's a template that you can go and plug any kind of $5 to $300 low to mid ticket digital product that you want to run ads to, and it will punch out really, really amazing copy. So you can go and grab that for free. And then another new thing that I've put on there recently is called the 5-minute hidden revenue scan. This is literally an exercise that you can do that takes 5 minutes. You can do it once per month, and you can go and find 15 to 75K in your coaching business very, very quickly, right? Most people have money sitting there, they just don't know where to look for it. So those are in the free resources, and I've got plans to continue to build out those. All right, so that's the first thing you're going to see. The second thing that you are going to see is what we call, and this is new, is what we call the shop. Okay, now I've been building out this over about the last 5 weeks with running some promotions and stuff to my email list, and it's essentially a suite of offers that are all related to a model that we call the lifestyle business operating system, which is really the core system and the core strategy and the core philosophy of the overall platform. Okay, and so in that shop is a suite of offers from like $27, I think right now, up to about $5,000. And there's some that are do-it-yourself, some that are done with you, and some that are done for you around different components of that model. Okay, and that will continue to evolve. We're going to add new stuff. We'll take stuff away at a certain time. We'll run promotions on different things, but it gives us a lot more flexibility. It's kind of like an e-com store, but for more digital products and coaching. All right. The next thing you're going to see is our 90-day OS implementation. That's essentially for the people that see the model that we run and they want to work with myself and my right-hand man, Chris, over 90 days to go and implement it in a group coaching style, plus get all of our AI tools and everything that we use to speed up the process. The next thing that you're going to see is called the accelerator, which is essentially the implementation of that model with us one-to-one. And then the very, very last thing, and this is something that I'm super excited for because I haven't done something like this for a number of years, is we're going to be launching a partner program. And this is going to be so compelling for people. Literally all you will have to do is send some clicks to some opt-in pages that we will give you. Any leads that you generate into that all-in-one platform will get tagged to you for life, and anything that we sell them going forward, you will get a commission on. So all that details there, you can go check that out. And that's kind of the core moving parts. All right, but go have a look. And then the last thing that I just wanted to quickly touch on for this video, just to get things rolling again, even for myself, just to start filming again, it's that kind of barrier to work through again, is where I want to take this channel. There's essentially 2 buckets of content that I will be publishing. The first is lessons, stories, insights, strategies, tips, tricks around building a lifestyle business. That's going to be one big bucket. And then the second big bucket is going to be documenting and sharing the journey of scaling up this new all-in-one platform that I've just shared the link below to you. So you can kind of see me building my own lifestyle business, scaling up this new platform, all the stuff that we're learning there, seeing behind the scenes of that. So it's going to be a bit of a dual track. You'll get the teaching, the coaching, the advice, the insights, the perspectives, the wisdom around building a lifestyle business, and then seeing us, what we're doing with our platform day to day. Some of it will be, might be really small things, some of it might be kind of bigger, zoomed out, but documenting us getting that platform live as well. Okay, and so they're going to be the two different types of content, and then there might be some, more kind of come for a walk with me. I'll take my iPhone. We'll go for a chat about a particular topic that I think is relevant and will be helpful to people who are watching this channel, so that they can too build their lifestyle business. All right. So appreciate you watching this video. Big part of this was just for me to get back into the flow of filming. Again, I'll put some links below that you can check out for the new platform. Go and set up a free account. You can do that over on the website, and you can have a click around. You'll get plugged into the area that we call the hub. You'll be able to see the shop. You'll be able to see some cool stuff, and then you'll start getting emails with all of the new stuff that is going live on that platform. But if you are a coach, a digital product creator, an expert, a consultant, either an existing business, or you want to set one up and you like the idea of being able to get clients without sales calls, you want to be able to sell your offers on autopilot, you don't want to be on social media all day, you don't want to have to be in the DMs all day, you want a lean leverage business, this is going to be the place to be. Okay, appreciate you watching this video. I'll talk to you all soon. Cheers.